يا الله يا قريب، يا الله يا الله يا الله يا مجيب. Oh Allah, protect my family, reward their care of me. Give them health almighty, may they always be happy. Oh Allah, protect my friends, with whom laughter never ends. Please let them be their best, good and kind Islam says. Oh Allah, your help I seek, through dua to you I speak. I raise my hands when I need you to guide my heart to what is true. Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Qareeb, Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Allah, Ya Mujib.